one simple thing that anyone can do to their HVAC heating or air conditioning system to help maintain optimal heating and cooling performance and to maintain a longer lifespan of their systems is to do regular filter checks and replacements. Okay, so when your HVAC system has a dirty filter, that means you'll have less airflow across your cooling system or your heating system, and when you have less airflow, then the system efficiency or performance will be reduced, and not only will the system performance or efficiency be reduced, you will also have it could also have detrimental effects on your heating or cooling systems, costly effects, right? Meaning you could lose a compressor, you could potentially have water leaks and floods through your ceiling, stuff like that. You could also overheat your furnace, right? And have to pay for nuisance service calls for a technician to come out. But overall, all that will lead to a shorter life of your HVAC or heating system. So anyone could change their filter, right? You can check, you can see simply this one is rather dirty, okay? And this is a different type of filter from the side right here, okay? So in this particular case, this is a washable filter. It's not disposable, but you could put a disposable filter in here if you like. It's that easy. Just put that in there, just pull it back out. Also, I just removed this one, right, from this filter assembly here. This is for extra purification or air filtration. So here's that filter. Pretty easy. Nothing difficult about it. So yeah, just do this one thing on a regular basis. Do it yourselfers, homeowners. It's simple. Check your filter. On a regular basis. It will ensure optimal performance, help to ensure optimal performance of your heating and HVAC system, and also it will definitely ensure a longer life for your heating and cooling system. All right. Yes, I know when it comes to putting your filter in, there's always going to be an indicator arrow on the filter, right? So you're going to want to make sure the arrow, and get this thing in the groove right there, because I'm using one hand. There you go, one hand. Simple as that. So the arrow has to be pointing to the equipment. See, there's your HVAC equipment, and the arrow has to be pointing to it. So all the filters are going to have an arrow pointing for directional purposes. Always install the filter with the arrow pointing into the equipment, because that's the airflow. The air goes into the equipment, right? So wherever your filter is, from the filter, the arrow points to the direction of the HVAC or air handling unit, as you can see. All right, this particular one doesn't have an arrow. So this filter here, because it's a washable filter, it's bidirectional, right? But typically you'll have the arrow on the one of these corners. Okay, so that's it. You can see the difference in comparison. Dirty, clean, old, new. Increase the life of your HVAC, cooling, and heating system by simply doing this. Come on. I'm out of here.